Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Being Creative. Today in this video we are going to make a transparent waterfall. You can also call it as a mirror fall of water. You need to have a setup. You can design your own. I'm just using these two buckets to give the height and using the regular tub which we use. So firstly we have to cover everything with the black plastic. You can use the water resistant rubber plastic which is available in the market, and we use black because black creates an illusion and we can hide some of the things which we do not want to show. So you have to cover in such a way that water should not come out. Now for the waterfall, I am just using this brown oil container. I have just marked and cut it, and the pipe will be attached from here and the water will fall from there, this side. Yeah, so it's ready. I have attached the pipe. We are going to place it on the top of the rocks, and over it we too need to put some of the rocks, and we need to arrange the stones and rocks over there. So now as you can see, I'm using these wooden crates. Over there I'm going to place the rocks on it, and I don't want it to give the weight on the tub. So this is the way I have arranged the rocks, and this is the way from where the water will fall down. So now you need to create a circular pattern with the rocks at the bottom so that the pond looks beautiful. So in my previous waterfall videos, some of you have been asking me from where did I get these rocks. So I was just crossing one village and I found those rocks beside the road and I brought them. Here you can see I have left this portion. I have not filled it with the rocks because my money plant is growing so well and I don't want to disturb its growth. This is the water pump. It is easily available in the market, and I'm using this long pipe, green pipe. The green pipe from one end is attached to the container, oil container, and this is the other end which I had attached to the pump. You can see I have used the black tape to cover the green pipe. It is because I do not wanted to make it visible. I just wanted to create an illusion. It will not look bright over there. Everything goes well with the black surrounding over there. So in this way you arrange it, and now I'm going to add these pebbles. My children, they are excited to do so. They are helping me. After adding pebbles, you add water in the pond. Now there is one tip: add some plants to give the natural look of your waterfall. I'm very much fond of the jungle theme, and I like to place plants in such a way that it looks messy and also it looks natural. So this is the view we get to see when we enter the balcony. One side I have a sitting corner, and you can see other side the setup is ready. On the top you can see I have used that Indian soups as a planter holder, and also the branch of the tree as the holder of my planters. these things helps me to create the jungle look. And I like to keep the plants in a messy way, not in a good arrangement, but in a messy way which gives me the jungle feeling. These are the two paintings which my friend gave me. She's a very good artist. Now we are ready to plug in, and here goes. I'm loving the sound of the water. It's beautiful. Really, it's beautiful. The fall is not transparent here, so we need to arrange some of the pebbles so that the water falls in a beautiful way. You can see the back side of the water. The stones are very clear, the rocks are very clear. So this is called a transparent fall. It's beautiful. I can't express my happiness. I'm really loving it. So this is the view from inside. From inside also I can see the fall of water, and I'm going to add these fishes in the pond. I too have thought of adding the lotus. Now I am adding this lotus. It was the gift from Sister Anima. It is really a precious gift for me. As I am adding this, you can see the mud is coming out and water is becoming muddy. But don't worry, after 2 days it will be clear. So this is after 2 days we get to see the clear water. Everything is settled down. You can see the roots, you can see the pebbles, and the leaves are also revived. I'm loving it.